Health benefits of dark chocolate. If you're a fan of sweets, you'll jump for joy over these 10 reasons to enjoy chocolate. But, before you grab a candy bar, it's important to recognize that not all chocolate is created equal. Dark chocolate with a 70% cocoa content or higher contains more health benefits and less sugar than milk chocolate varieties. Look for a bar with whole food ingredients and a sugar content of less than 10 grams per serving. Dark chocolate may not directly reduce body fat, but provides a healthier alternative to those conventional sweets that are sure to sabotage weight loss efforts. Benefits of dark chocolate: lowers risk of stroke and heart disease, boosts heart health by decreasing blood pressure, reduces cravings and provides high satiation, increases insulin sensitivity and reduces diabetes risk, protects skin with antioxidants, quiets coughs by relaxing the vagus nerve, improves mood and reduces stress, increases circulation with blood-thinning properties, improves vision by increasing blood flow to the retina, increases blood flow to the brain to enhance mental performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.